So in this question, we are looking at a rugby team. And here, let's see at this aspect. The particular rugby team usually misses 0 point, I'm already changing it to a decimal, 0.08 or 8% of the tackles that they attempt. So not very much, isn't it? Use this fact to answer part B1 and B2. Assume that all tackles are independent. Give each answer correct for decimal place. So this is about missing the tackle. So this is a probability of missing the tackle. And the opposite of that, or the other option, or the other events that can happen is not missing the tackle, isn't it? And that is happening what? 92%, so 0.92. So that's our probabilities about either we are missing or we are not missing. Those are the only two options. So here we are told that we have to find the probability that the fourth tackle in a game is the first one that is missed. Now here we have a very specific order. Okay, so when we are looking at a very specific order, we need to have that order recognized. So the probability that the fourth tackles, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in a game, is the first one that is missed. So this is the probability of missing the tackle. This is the first one. So what does that mean? This one, it wasn't missed, not missed tackle, and probability of not missed tackle, and this is the one that we miss. So now we just basically replace that probability with numbers representing that probability. Not missed one is 0.92 and multiply. Again, not miss 9.2 and multiply. Not miss 0.92 and that means 0.08. And all we do, we put that in the calculator and making sure for decimal places we give our answer. So that is the probability. Now, next part. Find the probability that the team misses at least 2 out of the first 20. Okay, so here we are talking a lot, 20. I'm not going to draw all of them. And he's saying misses at least 2. So that means it could be 2, or could be 3, or could be 4, or could be 5, or 6. We are looking at all the way to 20, isn't it? So that is a lot of different probability to consider. So when we have a situation like that, and that's kind of your key word, then we are looking at the situation. Well, how about we look at the opposite situation? So that is when from all possibilities, we took the probability of the event we don't want. And therefore, that will give me the probability of the event we want. Now, in this case, all is what? 1, and the probability we don't want is what? Missing what? 1 or missing 0. Isn't it? Because that's the only, because once it has 2, so here we are looking missing 0 or 1. And therefore, here we'll get that probability at least 2. Now, but matter gets a little bit more complicated here. Why? Because we are actually not told which one. Is it the first tackle, the second tackle, the third? So we have to consider, well, which one will that be? And again, it would be so many different what? Combination, isn't it? So that's what we are going to look at here. So we are saying, let's not forget, so 0.08, that is not missing, 0.92, that is missing. So we are saying first, let's consider the 0 one. So out of 20, we want to choose 0, isn't it? Because 0 missing, multiply by the probability of missing, which is 0.08 to the power of what? 0, because it's 0 of them, multiply probability of not missing, 0.92, to the power of what? 20. Yeah? So that's 1. And then minus the one that the second event we don't want, which is missing 1. So here, out of 20, we choose 1. And again, the probability of missing this time is to the power of 1 because we want one of them. And not missing is all the remaining 1, meaning 19. So again, and then we put that in our calculator, we press equal, and to 4 decimal place, we're going to get 0.483.